You're most welcome, and you're here to be shown an arbitrage opportunity. So remember, my channel always updates you with arbitrage opportunities, cryptocurrency education, and forex trading, majorly financial markets. Today we are going to see a latest arbitrage opportunity that everyone can utilize. Okay, let's get started. Before we get started, we're going to be using these applications here. We're going to be using a wallet known as this wallet here Luno wallet. I'm very sure you all know about Luno wallet, and it's one of the trusted cryptocurrency wallets in the world. So today I'm going to be using Luno, and for countries that support what we call Eversend. So today we're going to be using Luno and Eversend. Eversend is this, and this, and this. And if you don't have these applications, I've put the link in my description, so you can go on and download this application from the Play Store and App Store, so that you can get started into this arbitrage opportunity. Okay, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like and share and comment on this video, so you can be getting all these updates on arbitrage opportunities in cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other forms of making money online in the world. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you're going to open. When you open Eversend, mine was already open, so let me take you back. When you open Eversend, it will be like, so my balance is 0 right now, so it will be like this is the dashboard of Eversend. So what you'll be doing, you come here to this place known as Mo. You understand? Yeah, it's always here down. Let me transfer this here. This place is known as, it is called More. So where there is more is where you're going to tap. You understand? So when you tap there, they will show you invest statement, total crypto value is 0. So what you're going to do is to come here to invest. You understand? Yeah, you come here to invest. You understand? Then when you tap invest, you see the cryptocurrencies that are already in here. So remember, what is an arbitrage? An arbitrage is like utilizing the difference in prices of two assets. They might be digital or physical assets. So utilize the opportunity that there is a difference in the prices of the assets, so you can buy it low and sell it high. You understand? You buy it low and sell it high on another platform. It may be within the same exchange platform, or you may use different platforms with the same asset but with a different price. So today I'm going to show you an arbitrage with Bitcoin. So this arbitrage is between Luno and Eversend. You understand? So I want you to see the price of BTC. Let's tap BTC. The price of BTC on Eversend is 77 million. 0.2, you understand, 296,528.23. That's in Uganda shillings. You understand? That's in Uganda shillings. So that's the amount, or that's the price. That's the price of BTC right now. You understand? So you see the price. Let me show you. I think everybody's seeing the price. This is the price I'm talking about, 77 million UGX. You understand? So what you're going to do, you're going to come here to trade. You understand? You're coming here to trade on this. Let me move it here down. You see where there is the word trade? That trade button here, trade. That's where you're supposed to be going. You understand? So when you tap trade, you see buy or sell Bitcoin. So right now what you're going to be doing, you're going to be buying. You understand? So we're going to be buying at 77 million here. I'm going to show you why. You understand? So we are buying BTC. You understand? After buying BTC, let's say buy, you are in, you have to have deposited money on your account. You understand? You have to have deposited money on your account. You understand? So that was just a simulation of 50,000. How much BTC do you get? But remember, we are buying at 77 million. So I want you to see the price difference. You understand? Actually, let us write it on a calculator. Let's go back. I don't know if it will copy, but let's do this. Let's look for our calculator. Okay, it is 77 295,658 295,658.28, I think. Yeah, no, 0.08. This is the current price of BTC on Eversend. You understand? So what are you going to so now what we're going to be doing, we are going to use Luno. So now Luno looks like this. Let me first put in my pin, and we can proceed. Okay, when you go to Luno, on home here, home, like its interface, it will be looking like this. You understand? Yeah, it will be looking like that. So you see the BTC price. The BTC price is 83,951,000. So let us write it here, so you see the difference. It is 83,951. 83,951 and 3 zeros. All right, is it that? Yeah, 951. So I think you already see the difference now. So when you put a minus sign, there is a difference of 6 million. You understand? It means that every BTC you buy from Eversend and you sell it to Luno, you're going to be getting 6 million as profit only on one trade. So let's say you're going to be using like 100k or 100, like 300k, 500, 1 million, 2 million, and you buy just part of the BTC and you sell on Luno, you're going to be getting a huge price, because this is a huge price. You understand? It's a huge price difference. You understand? So remember, after buying BTC from Eversend, after you have bought, so you come here to withdraw. You understand? You'll be able to withdraw your money here after buying. Let's say you have bought here. You understand? So let's say you have bought for 50,000. It will be showing here, because I've not bought yet, so it's not showing. But after this video, I'm going to make a trade. So total holdings, I have 0 right now, but after buying it will be showing here. So what you do, you come to withdraw. Then after withdrawing, you come to Luno. You come to Luno and come to receive. You understand? And you come to receive. So here you will create a receiving address of BTC. Yeah, you put in your name of your address. Then you will be able to receive. You paste this address to your Eversend, so you will be able to receive BTC on Luno wallet. You understand? You will receive BTC on Luno wallet. So after receiving the BTC, you come to wallet again. Then you come to sell. You see it here. You come to sell. Have you understood what I'm doing? So after selling, you'll be able to get your profit back, and you can either buy USDT, so you can transfer the USDT to Binance account, to your Binance account, so you can sell via P2P or in the market to get direct money on your bank account or your mobile money or any other forms of payment. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share and comment, and give me what you think about this arbitrage opportunity in the comment section. I've put the links of both the of both of these applications in my description. Try to check and download this application and you can get started. Thank you so much.